Rajesh Jha, motivational speaker and agriculture student. In this channel, you can see about modern updated knowledge of all subjects of agriculture, technical education, traditional culture, and motivational speech, etc. In this video, we will discuss about chapter 15 of agribusiness subject. Let's start our class. Chapter 15, production planning in agribusiness. And our first topic is production planning in agribusiness. It refers to the process of preparing production plan which seeks answer to the questions such as what to produce, how much to produce, etc. Our second topic is steps of production planning are. I repeat, steps of production planning are: at first, farm planning, like types of land use, amount of land fertility, fertility balance, etc. Second, members planning, type of household, members to be involved. Third, labor planning, how many family labor, hired labor to be involved. Fourth, input planning, types of inputs, tools and equipments used, etc. Product planning, variety to produce, time of planting, harvesting, etc. Sixth is delivery planning, post-harvest operation, price taking, etc. And our fourth topic is risk and uncertainty. Then first, risk, when outcome is not certain but probability of alternative outcome are known or can be estimated, it is called risk. And the types of risk are: first, production and technical risk, price and market risk, institutional risk, functional risk, personal risk. And our second is uncertainty, when possible outcomes and their respective probabilities are not known, it is called uncertainty. Types of uncertainty: first, price uncertainty, second, yield uncertainty, and the third is innovation uncertainty. And our last topic and second last topic is risk and certainty and the difference between risk and uncertainty. At first, in risk, possible outcome and their respective probability are known, and in uncertainty, first, possible outcomes and their respective probabilities are not known. And the second is risk. The future occurrence of an event can be predicted by specifying the level of probabilities, and in uncertainty, the future occurrence of an event cannot be predicted. The third, in risk, can be measured, and in uncertainty it cannot be measured. At the fifth, of risk, it can be injurable, and in uncertainty it cannot be injurable. And in risk it is possible to guess, and in uncertainty it is not possible to guess. An example of risk are rainfall, pest interest rate, government policy, etc. An example in uncertainty: natural calamities, bird flu, etc. And our last topic is safeguard against risk and uncertainties. At first, crops or livestock insurance. Second, forward contract. Third, selection of enterprises with low variability of risk. Fourth, subsides and support prices. Fifth, diversification. Sixth, maintenance of resources in reserve. Seventh, adjustment to uncertainty of inputs. And the eighth and last is liquidity. And that's our topics are finished here. If you want to take more notes on this field, please like and subscribe my channel for motivate me to upload more videos. And never miss to subscribe, like and share. Your friend Rajesh Jha.